Sustainability has always been important for us at New Zealand Sugar. For years we've been working to reduce the impact we have on the environment through energy reduction initiatives. Since 2022 we've committed to purchasing 100% renewable electricity, and the collaboration with Lightforce Solar is an important part of this initiative.
Lightforce works across residential, solar farms, agribusiness and commercial sectors to provide solar infrastructure, enabling a sustainable power supply from a renewable energy source.
We are aligned with the New Zealand Government target of achieving carbon net zero by 2050. This will help us achieve that goal along with other projects aimed at reducing energy and greenhouse gas emissions.
350 panels have been installed on the roof of the factory, with inverters below to convert the energy. Prior to installation, our expert team calculated the projected energy that the solar panels would generate. They designed a system that would decrease New Zealand Sugar's carbon emissions.
As a result of the installation, we'll reduce our draw from the main grid by about 200,000 kilowatt hours per year, helping us on our journey